Hello viewers, welcome to NRG Healthcare. I am Dr. Akila. Today we will discuss about thyroid problem in ladies. Like any other patients, thyroid problem can cause hair fall, weight gain or weight loss, mood swings for ladies also. But particularly related to periods, pregnancy and menopause, let's have a discussion. Initial periods like first periods can get delayed or early because of the thyroid problem. Once the periods is achieved, it can be very irregular. Some patients complain of heavy periods and frequent periods with clots. Some patients complain irregular delayed periods, scanty minimal flow and also amenorrhea, which is lack of periods for months together. Next, coming to pregnancy, thyroid can definitely affect chances of pregnancy and pregnancy course also. Because as I discussed, irregular periods and also there is a ovulation problem, that is a release of egg from ovary can get affected because of the thyroid problem. This leads to polycystic ovary and delayed periods. This reduces the chance of pregnancy. And also during heavy thyroid problem, there is a increased prolactin level. There is another hormone which is responsible for milk production. If that hormone is high, the chances of pregnancy comes down. So these two ways it affects the pregnancy chances. It leads to infertility problem. The next one is during pregnancy. During pregnancy, early pregnancy, there is a chance of miscarriage, abortion. And also hyperthyroidism can cause increased vomiting during pregnancy. Next, the child's development growth can get affected if the mother's thyroid levels are not controlled. It can also cause stillbirth, that is a baby die inside the womb, and also postpartum hemorrhage, which means there is a heavy bleeding after delivery of the baby for mother. So these are the ways it affects the pregnancy. Next, coming to menopause. The menopause can get delayed or early because of the thyroid problem. Some thyroid problem like hyperthyroidism can get confused with the menopause symptoms because it has irregular periods. It also can cause increased sweating, which can be confused with hot flushes. And in hyperthyroidism, patients do have anxiety, irritation, which can be related to mood swings in menopause. So it is very important to check thyroid hormone level at different age if you have problem, because thyroid problem can be checked very easily just by doing a blood test, and the treatment is very easy, taking a medication and monitoring. So thyroid affects in various ways. Especially when the elderly patients comes with thyroid problem, they do have a memory loss problem. It can be confused with dementia, which is common in elderly people, and also they can present with depression, low mood, withdrawn also. It's quite applicable for teenagers where they can have mood swings. So mood problem and periods problem are very common in ladies with thyroid problem. Please be aware of these symptoms and get your bloods checked for thyroid problem if you do have any of these symptoms. As I discussed, the treatment for thyroid problem is very easy. The success rate is very good. Please visit NRG Healthcare. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel and discuss with your friends also. Thank you for watching.